Hello. Now I'm going to talk about some of the basic operational details of the new TCX53, the new generation. We'll go through a normal tire changing operation, and I'll discuss these details at the appropriate time in the tire changing process. Operationally, the side shovel remains the same as the current generation of TCX tire changers. It is a power out based system. You'll notice construction differences in the thickness of the arm. You'll notice construction differences in the cylinders. They're even stronger than they have been in the past, even over the current improved models. The blade hub is beefier as well. But operationally, it all works as you're used to. The tabletop, as you can see, is slightly different. It's a slightly larger tabletop. It's now able to handle 26-inch rims. Initially, the jaws, when extended out, will stop at 22, just like we currently do. But if we need to go to 24, we simply grab this knob, flip it over, and now this becomes 24-inch. If we need to go to 26-inch, rotate around to the other side, grab that knob, flip it down, and we're at 26. So rather than using a lot of adapters that you need to keep track of, we use this expandable tabletop. When you want to go back, simply grab that knob, flip it back. For most people, you'll want to stay in the normal position because most OEM rims are under 22-inch. And it keeps the tabletop a little bit smaller all around. Okay? So as always, we could go ahead and use our diameter adjustment marks to go ahead and bring in to roughly the diameter we're after here. Oops. Just like a normal BPS, like the BPS you're used to, this has all the benefits, including the ability to press down into the jaws. So you've got your pressing cone. In fact, we have the pressing cone extension, and the larger pressing cone, just as the current model does. We'll be using a small hole or small cone in this instance. Again, we can use this to sort of set our centers on our wheel, press down into the jaws. We have a low profile wheel like this. We've all had the habit of using the roller to lubricate the bead. We can continue to do that. We still have a locking roller, so we'd want it unlocked in this case. Go ahead and press that down. Lubricate. The swing arm, while construction has changed on it as well, it's a more robust, stout swing arm. the basic principles of swing arm operation remain the same. So we'll go ahead and set our adjustment knob here. Use our BPS to create a gap for our lever. As always, this TCX is 110, 220 volt. When we have a larger diameter tire and rim like this, it's hard to control the overall size, so we can use the lifting disc as we always have. Come down on the opposite side. Raise it up. Just to bear some of that weight. The BPS can be used with the single arm, as we've shown. Can also lock it in, or we also have the additional secondary arm here. For real control. So as you can see, the operation of the BPS equipped new generation TCX tire changer is really very familiar to you. It basically has all the same operational characteristics that we're used to with a new design chassis and a new design BPS.